Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a swipe on a wood panel. I actually don't gesso it. The small pieces I don't, bigger pieces I do gesso it. The pillow is more on the thinner side for my swipes. Only for the blooms, transfer blooms, I use a thicker pillow. Then I'm here working with a Payne's Grey of Amsterdam. Then working with a Burnt Umber and Van Dyke Brown of Amsterdam. Here we have the Pearl White of Amsterdam. And then we have of Deco Art a metallic gold with a lot of gold mica pigments. And this is gonna be dominating this piece. I want it to be like very light, very soft. And I'm using a white cell activator. The attempt is to attempt a landscape-ish composition. So I will always work around the center line. I like the composition wise, and I'm doing a little series of those. So here and there I will mix up in between of my videos one of those swipes, and it's just what I really love, and that's just my thing. So I hope you really like this one, and if you have any questions, comment below, ask me, leave a comment how you like this one. I really appreciate the feedback. It means a lot to me. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, it's really appreciated. Oh, the cell activator, of course, is an Amsterdam titanium white, 1 part, and about 3 parts Australian floetrol. And I barely put any pressure on my swiping tool. I just put it on top of the cell activator and then just gently slide it to the edge of the canvas. And then we will be spinning. So I hope you like this one, and I see you soon. Bye. What you see me doing here is I scoop the pillow and the paint and drag it into the composition. Just make sure that your pillow still is thick enough so you actually can scoop and drag paint around. Now I'm just torching it to get like the last air bubbles out with the heat, where you can do that with the torch or with the heat gun. You heat up the paint, and that way the air comes to the top and will leave the painting. So always make sure to do it at the beginning of your painting and at the end, or in between. Definitely at the end. And now it gets a few last spins, and then I'm excited about what do you think? Hey, if you like my videos, please subscribe, like and hit the notification button to see my future videos. Bye!